In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your account on Claude. This is a very simple process, and it only takes a moment once you know where to find the right option. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To get started, look at the top left corner of the screen. If the sidebar is not already visible, click the sidebar icon to open it. This menu gives you access to the main navigation options, so if you don't immediately see the account area, opening the sidebar is the first thing you'll need to do. Once the sidebar is open, move down to the bottom left corner and click on your profile. This is where you'll find personal account-related options, including settings. If you're following along on a smaller screen, just take a second to make sure the sidebar is fully expanded so you can clearly see the profile section. After that, click on Settings. This will open the main settings area for your account, where you can manage different preferences and account options. Depending on the layout, the settings menu may contain multiple categories, so take your time and make sure you're in the correct section before moving on. Next, go to the Account category. This is the section where account management options are usually located. Once you're there, look for the option that says Delete Account. Click on that to begin the deletion process. At this point, you'll likely be asked to confirm your decision. This confirmation step is important because deleting an account is generally meant to be permanent. Read the prompt carefully, then confirm if you're sure you want to continue. And that's it. Once you confirm, your account deletion request will be completed. Before doing this, it's always a good idea to make sure you no longer need anything associated with the account, since account deletion may remove access to your data, history, or saved settings. Taking a quick moment to double-check can help avoid mistakes, but in terms of the actual steps, that's the full process. Open the sidebar, click your profile, go into Settings, open the Account section, choose Delete Account, and confirm. That's all.